Sigurado na akong malakas para sa mundo ng mga tao. Kailangan kong makapunta sa mundo ng mga halimaw. Wala na akong makakalaban dito.
Beauty calculus. 3D beauty calculus is the mathematical lens through which we define to create a beauty physical and digital worlds. It uses the partial derivatives and cardigens to craft a perfectly smooth surface, ensuring the very curve of the 3D modified or model, the product of facial map, looks like fluid or organic. Through crescent curvature, we can quantify the elegance of the nature or symmetric of face. Furthermore, surface integral allows us to simulate how light dance across the texture, creating the glow we associate with the aesthetic perfection. It's the pace of beauty in the just objective and present calculation and symmetry like the flow who like me generate image to show a beauty 3D mathematical surface or verbs to drive into the specific formula for a perfect curve.
So, good day everyone! Ngayong gabi, pag-uusapan natin ang derivatives at kung paano ito related sa time at sa distance. Sa calculus, ang derivative ay ginagamit para malaman kung gaano kabilis nagbabago ang isang bagay sa pamamagitan ng oras. Halimbawa, meron tayong distance na nakadepende sa time. Kapag kinuha natin ang derivative ng distance with respect sa time, ang makukuha natin ay ang tinatawag na velocity or sa Tagalog ay bilis. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang nito sinasabi kung gaano kalayo yung narating natin, kundi gaano kabilis gumagalaw yung isang bagay sa specific na oras. Parang yung mga sa sasakyan or yung nakikita natin na speedometer, di ba? Ngayon, kapag kinuha naman natin ang derivative ng velocity, with respect sa time, ang lalabas is yung acceleration or kung sa Tagalog, ito yung bumibilis ba yung isang bagay or bumabagal yung galaw niya. So in short, distance, gaano kalayo. Derivative ng distance is velocity. Derivative ng velocity is acceleration. So, ginagamit ang derivatives para maintindihan ang galaw ng isang bagay sa totoong buhay. Sa pamamagitan ng relasyon neto sa oras, distansya, at kung gaano siya kabilis. Yun lamang at maraming salamat.
Have you ever wondered how we can understand a three-dimensional surface using a flat image? In this video, we will explore the level curves and how they help us visualize complex mathematical ideas. Why is this topic? This topic is important because level curves makes complex easier to understand. They help us to see patterns, changes, and behavioral function without needing advanced 3D tools. I'm gonna show you some picture here in my side, and then that's it. How does it help us to understand? Each level curves represent to a constant value. When curves are close together, the surface is steep. When the curves are far apart, the surface is flatter. They help us to understand how fast the values change. And this is the example picture. Okay, that's it. Where do we see level curves in real life? We see level curves in real life through tomographics maps, weather maps, and even economics. On maps, contour lines show areas with the same elevation. In weather forecasts, they show equal temperature and pressure. The tomographic example picture is here. That is the example of tomographic maps. And for my side is the weather map. That is the example of weather map. For the lastly, level curves help us understand the complex system by turning 3D problems into simple 2D visuals. They are powerful tools in use in math, science, and everyday application. That's all. Thank you.